Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today is our last leg of our I-59 trip that took place on August 31st. We begin at mile 156 in St. Clair County, Alabama, heading north. The speed limit here is 50 miles per hour, presumably because of some construction just up the road. After several miles of the 50 mile per hour speed limit, it increases to 60, and then right back down to 50 again, then 45. I think there may be some miscommunication among the Department of Transportation regarding the placement of the construction speed limit signs here. We briefly enter the northwestern portion of the city of Asheville, which has a population of 2,291. Asheville is one of two county seats of St. Clair County. In Asheville, the John Looney Pioneer Homestead, a popular historic site, may be the oldest dog trot log house in the state. The museum hosts an annual fall festival with food, games, arts and crafts, and music. In addition, the Asheville Museum and Archives is located in the St. Clair County Courthouse. We enter the town of Steele, incorporated in 1952. The estimated population of Steele is 1,070. Steele sponsors an all-day 4th of July celebration with a fireworks show provided by the Steele Fire Department. It also supports the city park with a ball field. Just across Interstate 59 is the Alabama International Speedway drag strip. We enter Etowah County, established in 1866, with a current estimated population of 102,755. We're also on the edge of Rainbow City, named for U.S. Highway 411, known locally as Rainbow Drive, which runs through the town center. Rainbow City has a population of 9,555. We enter the city of Attalla, which has a population of 5,827. Attalla is home to Tigers for Tomorrow at Untamed Mountain, an exotic animal park and rescue preserve that provides homes to confiscated and abandoned exotic animals. The park offers educational programming as well as recreational opportunities and animal viewing. The town hosts its Attalla Heritage Day on the third Saturday in October. The event features arts and crafts, food, and live entertainment. Each December, the town celebrates the holiday season with the Attalla Downtown Christmas Open House and Attalla Christmas Parade. We conclude our video at exit 181, where we stopped for the night, just as we entered the city of Gadsden. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at shop.spreadshirt.com/504roadtrips. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.